Well, I hope you're having a very blessed Christmas, and we hope that peace definitely reigns in your own households and all over this island of ours. And we've only got 4 more nights to Christmas, but there is only one night that is above all, and that is on Christmas Day. And it really was a holy night.
Oh, holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the night of our dear Saviour's birth. Long lay the world in sin and error pining, till he appeared and the soul felt its worth. The thrill of hope, the weary world rejoices, for yonder breaks a new and glorious morn. For on your knees, oh, hear the angel voices, oh, night divine, oh, night when Christ was born, oh, night divine, oh, night
To love one another is all His love, and His gospel is peace.
Change shall be ready, for the slave is a brother, and in his name all oppression shall cease. Sweet hymns of joy in grateful chorus praise we, the love within us, praise His holy name. Christ is the Lord, that ever reigns, reign no night divine, no